Overnight ruling means mifepristone for now can still be offered in states where medication abortion is legal, but that the FDA must stop offering the drug through the mail. The reality is this latest ruling is far from the end of this debate. An appeal to the Supreme Court is likely, which is why it's important to know the facts. Fact number one, if mifepristone is banned in a later ruling, medication abortions can still occur in states where abortion is legal. That's because mifepristone isn't the only drug abortion providers can use. Typically, mifepristone is used with the drug mifepristone in a medication abortion. Multiple organizations have said, though, that using just one drug, mifepristone, is safe and effective, too. In fact, that method has been approved by the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists and the World Health Organization. Some providers, though, have reported that option can produce more side effects. This week, Scripps News spoke with Jen Klein, the director of President Biden's Gender Policy Council. The White House is remaining optimistic.
I think that we are going to be in a position where we can continue to ensure access to mifepristone.
Fact number two, advocates won't easily give up offering the abortion drug even if the pill is blocked. Elisa Wells with Plan C, a reproductive rights advocacy group, says efforts to stockpile the drug in preparation of a ban have been underway for months. Her website provides free legal advice and details how options vary state to state. In some cases, her website recommends picking up pills in Mexico.
There is this robust pipeline of pills that come in mostly through India. We know these are coming in the tens of thousands.
In fact, number three, conservatives have the legal advantage. That's because the Supreme Court is just as conservative now as it was when it issued its abortion decision last year. Carol Tobias, the president of National Right to Life, says anti-abortion groups like hers want to stop as many abortions as possible, and legal challenges like this will be common.
We knew that it was not going to be over once the court overturned Roe.
Joe St. George, Scripps News, Washington.